Yes, with highest marks. Yes, we're so happy.
God bless you in future.
The main thing is consistency. I think I studied every day for 2 to 3 hours, not that much, but before exams, it was a bit long. So I think consistency is important.
So have you been using the CM guidebook?
Yes, little bit, but I didn't focus on that much. I even focused on the books because most of the things are in the books only. I studied from guidebook, but the sad thing is that most of the things didn't come from the guidebook. But I studied the textbook also, so it was not that difficult. But social science question paper is always difficult. I want to do something good in my life. I want to work for my country.
The internet world, it's quite a dangerous world for one, especially teenagers. I would say that it really depends on how you use it. For me personally, I use it for educational purposes. Other than that, also, I mean, they say that you shouldn't really use Instagram at this age, but I feel like it all depends on how you use it. For example, I follow news channels, I follow scientific channels, and that's how I get all my knowledge and prepare myself for future endeavors. For me personally, I don't like to confine myself within hours. I like to think of it as a feeling. If I like to study, I would do it at that moment. But I would say that once you reach class 10, you really need to be serious about it. Because as my parents say, it's a make it or break it stage. And for me, I started preparing all the way from the beginning of the year. But at the same time, I would advise students to please enjoy your school life. You'll not get something like this ever again. Do what you love, but at the same time, discipline yourself, especially at the last few months before the final exam. Make sure you give it your all, because in the end, if even if you don't do well, as long as you gave it your all, you know you will be satisfied with the results. Well, from all my teachers and my parents, they were expecting, but I myself didn't want to keep high hopes because in the end, I didn't. I know that what I did in my exam, I gave it from my heart. I did all from my heart, and it just depends on the correctors, the people who correct the papers, if they like my answers or not.
Damdan jisu ngamla ada even secure kami position.
Kamuก็จะเคยกับพี่ยังไงกันบ้าง
First, pray bed, dry bed every day. You cannot skip prayer. And to be honest, I had a full schedule throughout the year, my entire class 10. I did not miss a day for which I didn't study. And I had a perfect schedule. I would not skip anything. But also, I made sure I had fun. I wouldn't let my studies get in the way of my friendships and my relationships with people around me as well. I wouldn't say I completely cut off my Instagram and social media during my studies. It's a 50-50 chance. Basically, some people, if they know how to use social media and Instagram, if they have a control limit, yes, they can use it to an appropriate amount. But if those who doom scroll way too much and they can't really focus, I suggest that they do delete Instagram. Even like delete some friendships and all that, because you need to focus on your future. You need to focus on your studies.
decision?
No, I really prayed for it though. I prayed that I would get top 20. I wanted to make my family proud. And I'm really glad I got this position. I prayed so hard for it, and I'm just really thankful to God for helping me achieve this position. I don't have a specific career or job that I aim for. I would like to go commerce because it has a lot of benefits. I can learn about money and finances as well as other life beneficiaries.
Oh, we are feeling so excited, and I give God all the glory. I give Him all the praise because He deserves, and He has been with these children from the day they started their schooling here in Seventh Set. I believe that God's hand was upon them, and His favor is upon them, and was upon them, and will be upon them for the rest of their academic journey. And we are so happy to announce that three of our students emerged with the highest positions, that is third position, fourth position, and 16th position, and five of them have also succeeded and have been placed in the highest marks list, five students, and all of them passed. All the 88 of them passed as in the previous years, and we are still checking the results of the other children, and I'm sure many of our students also got distinctions in many subjects.